This is a 1999 Polaris Trailblazer 250. And if you're looking for the VIN number, it's on the left-hand side of the bike if you're facing forward. So right now it'd be on my right-hand side. This side, it's right there on the frame. So you go down to the tire and the shock, and then right down on the frame, you can see your VIN number. You can take and you can plug that number right into the Polaris website, and it'll tell you your make and model. It's pretty easy to get to. I can put a link in the description, or if somebody has questions you can ask, but it's pretty easy just to Google it. So you got your petcock, you got your engine, your spring obviously, and then like I said, there's your VIN number. Just plug it in. So if you're sitting on your bike like this, you got your left hand fender, right hand fender, just go to the front and you can find it right down there. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know.